Iran's Revolutionary Guards showcased their newest addition to the fleet, the drone carrier Bahman Bagheri. This 180-meter vessel is capable of operating independently in international waters for up to a year. It boasts a runway capable of handling large drones, helicopters, and unmanned submarines. The warship also holds fast attack crafts and unmanned submarines, in addition to short-range anti-ship cruise missiles. New carrier can operate without refueling for up to 1 year. Commander-in-Chief of the Revolutionary Guards, Hossein Salami, highlighted the carrier's strategic capabilities.
میتواند یک بار سیاره زمین را دور بزند، میتواند یک سال مستقل در آبهای آزاد باقی بماند، میتواند در دوردست موشک‌های دوربرد کروز را شلیک کند، میتواند از خود در مقابل تهاجمات هوایی دفاع کند.
The ship is designed to support both defensive and offensive missions, including securing key waterways and protecting Iran's vital oil and commercial fleet. Iran's Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces, General Mohammad Bagheri, emphasized the significance of this new addition.
یک توانمندی مناسب دریایی در دوردست‌ها برای دفاع از منافع جمهوری اسلامی ایران و امنیت آبراه‌های مختلف برای ناوگان تجاری و نفتی کشور عزیز ما هست.
The Bahman Bagheri represents a shift in Iran's naval strategy. Unlike previous warships, this carrier accommodates advanced drones such as the Keho and features short-range cruise missile systems and unmanned submarines. Iran's Revolutionary Guards continue to enhance their military capabilities amidst heightened regional tensions, positioning this carrier as a key asset in their expanding maritime arsenal. The move is certain to draw global attention in an already tense geopolitical climate.